Good, good, good evening, good morning, good whatever where you are. So we have come to the end of 2021 and now we are beginning another new year. Tũrambĩrĩria mwaka ũngĩ mwerũ. That is to say, we are beginning another new year. Year is mwaka, new is mweru. Karibuni sana. Welcome back to Learn Kikuyu with Teacher Martin. Today we don't have a lesson, but rather I'm here to wish you a new year, a prosperous year, full of God's blessing. I wish you all the best as you continue learning Kikuyu, and I do appreciate all those who have been supporting me on this channel by viewing, by commenting. May God bless you abundantly. So as we come to the end of 2021, I hope that we are going to begin 2022 together and in a better way, so that you may learn how to read, write, and speak Kikuyu. So I'm here to assist you. I'm here to answer your questions, and I'm here also to be happy when you are commenting and when you are giving me feedback on this content that I'm providing here on YouTube. So I will say Happy New Year, and in Kikuyu I will say Mugie na mwaka mweru we na irathimo. That is to say, have a happy new year full of blessings. And continue proposing what you want to learn in Kikuyu Lad, different names about Kikuyus, and I will always be happy to explain what I can. So may God bless you. Happy New Year 2021. Bye bye for now. Let's meet in the new year 2022 and continue learning Kikuyu with I, Teacher Martin. Bye.